Hey guys! In this video, I'll show you how to create viral epoxy floor transformation videos using AI, 100% free with Google's Veo. First, open Flow in your browser. As you can see, from 3rd of February, free users get 100 credits initially, and then 50 free credits every day. Now, let's get started. First, we need to create 4 images. These images will later be used to generate our final video. Open a new project. Make sure Create Image is selected. Change the aspect ratio to Portrait, 9:16, because we're creating videos for YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Choose the image model as Nano Banana Pro. Next, we need a detailed prompt. To make this easy, we'll use ChatGPT to generate our prompts. Paste this prompt here. I've added this exact prompt in the video description so you can copy it from there. Inside the prompt, add the type of room you want. For example, luxury living room, modern kitchen, staircase foyer, or anything you like. For this video, I will use modern kitchen as an example. Now, send the prompt. You'll get multiple image prompts. We're going to generate images one by one. Paste the first image prompt and generate the image. Once it's done, save the image. Now upload it here as a reference image. Now paste the second image prompt and repeat the same steps. Do this again for the third and fourth prompts. Once all 4 images are generated, we move on to video generation. Change this option from Create Image to Frames to Video. Oh, check the settings here. First, set the aspect ratio properly based on your platform. For Shorts and TikTok, keep it at 9:16. Next, choose the video model, Veo 3.1 Fast. If you select the quality model, you'll get slightly better results, but it consumes more credits per generation. Since we're working with limited free credits, Fast Mode is the best option for daily content. Now, select how many outputs you want to generate. Keep in mind, each output costs 20 credits, so if you choose more outputs, your credits will be used up faster. Since Veo only generates 8-second videos, we'll create 3 short videos and then combine them. Keep in mind, you get 50 free credits daily, and each video generation costs 20 credits. So you can generate 2 videos today and use tomorrow's free credits to create the third one. If you don't want to wait, you can always upgrade to a Google AI subscription. Now let's generate the videos. For the first video, use image 1 as the first frame and image 2 as the last frame. Paste the first video prompt. Now hit Generate. For the second video, use image 2 as the first frame and image 3 as the last frame. Repeat the same steps again. For the final video, use image 3 as the first frame and image 4 as the last frame. These are all the generated videos. Now open any video editor and combine them into one single video. And that's it! Your viral AI epoxy transformation video is ready! Thanks for watching, and have fun creating!